Meet the Turritopsis dohrnii, the jellyfish that defies death and rewinds its life cycle, offering a tantalizing peek into potential immortality. This tiny sea creature, often dubbed the immortal jellyfish, can revert its cells back to a youthful state, essentially resetting its biological clock whenever it faces injury or environmental stress. Imagine a creature that cheats death by rolling back time, a biological wonder that scientists are eager to understand for its implications on aging and regenerative medicine. While humans are far from harnessing this power, the jellyfish's secret holds promise for unraveling the mysteries of life extension. Dive into the fascinating world of nature's loopholes, where this jellyfish blurs the line between life and endless renewal, challenging our understanding of life's limits.